What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, How to Remove Background Image on Canva. In today's guide, let me show you how to remove the background image on Canva. Now, let's start by opening the Canva app, create a design, then upload the photo from which you wish to remove the background. Remove the background by clicking on the Effects tab. You'll see a small ball icon named BG Remover or Background Remover. Click and wait a few seconds as it removes the background from your photo. Now, as you can see, we are left only with our subject, with the background completely removed. And just a note, you can only use this feature by purchasing Canva Premium. And there you go, that's it. That's how you can remove the background image using Canva. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.